This video is on question 36 on 26.5. So first thing is make sure there's not a common factor, and I do see y as a common factor, so I'm going to take that out. So and then I'm going to rearrange it in descending order. Not losing any of these. I might even take negative y out, because then the first one's not negative and it makes it easier for me. So let's do that. So we'll take this negative y, we'll make this 15y squared minus 47y minus 10. And then we'll do AC, so 15 times negative 10 is negative 150. And I think 2 is 75, right? So that one's off. 3 and 50 is probably what we're looking for. And this guy would have to be negative, this would have to be positive. So carry this one down. And this guy goes here, this guy goes here. Put in negative. I'm going to put the negative 50 here so that I don't have a negative over here. We'll add the y. I add the 3y like that. Now I have 4 terms. So now I'm going to factor by grouping. So negative y. We'll go 15y squared minus 50y plus 3y minus 10. In this group I can take out 5y. Bring this guy down again. So that would give me 3y minus 10. And I already have that here, so I'm just going to add the 1 here as a placeholder. Like that. And bring this one down again. y plus 1, 3y minus 10. And there's my answer.